From our earliest days, humans have gazed at the sky in wonder and walked the earth with questions. The quest to understand Earth is a tale woven through millennia, marked by daring voyages, groundbreaking discoveries, and technological marvels. The desire to map the world, understand its creatures, and delve into its history is a testament to our enduring fascination with Earth. From ancient civilizations charting constellations to modern scientists probing the Earth's core, the thirst for knowledge has been a constant driving force. Early explorers faced treacherous seas and uncharted territories armed with little more than rudimentary maps and sheer determination. The telescope allowed us to gaze deeper into the cosmos, while the microscope revealed the hidden wonders of the microscopic world. This continuous cycle of exploration and discovery defines humanity's relationship with Earth. For centuries, vast oceans served as barriers, separating continents and shrouding distant lands in mystery. Early explorers, driven by a blend of ambition and curiosity, dared to cross these daunting expanses. These voyages, fraught with risk and uncertainty, dramatically reshaped our understanding of Earth's geography. The discovery of the Americas by European explorers in the 15th and 16th centuries stands as a pivotal moment in human history. These voyages irrevocably changed the course of human civilization, sparking new trade routes, cultural exchanges, and unfortunately, conflict and exploitation. The arduous circumnavigations of Ferdinand Magellan's fleet in the 16th century provided undeniable proof that the Earth was indeed a sphere. As explorers charted new lands, they also began to delve into the mysteries of the oceans. These pioneering efforts paved the way for the development of submarines and sophisticated diving equipment, allowing us to explore the hidden wonders of the ocean floor. While explorers charted the surface, others turned their attention to the Earth beneath our feet. The study of geology emerged from a desire to unravel the planet's history, to understand the forces that shaped its majestic mountains, vast deserts, and hidden caves. One of the most profound geological discoveries was the realization that Earth was far older than previously imagined. Through meticulous examination of rock layers and the fossils they contained, scientists began to comprehend the immense scale of geological time. The discovery of fossils, the preserved remains of ancient life, opened a window into Earth's distant past. These remnants of long-extinct creatures allowed scientists to piece together the story of life on Earth, from the earliest single-celled organisms to the rise of dinosaurs and the eventual emergence of mammals. The theory of plate tectonics, developed in the mid-20th century, revolutionized our understanding of earthquakes, volcanoes, and the formation of continents. At Section 4, A Skyward Perspective, Modern Tools Reshaping Our View. The latter half of the 20th century witnessed an explosion of technological advancements that revolutionized our ability to study Earth. Satellites orbiting high above the atmosphere provided a global perspective, capturing detailed images of Earth's surface, atmosphere, and oceans. Satellite imagery has become an indispensable tool for monitoring weather patterns, tracking deforestation, and studying the impacts of climate change. Advances in deep-sea exploration, particularly the development of remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, have allowed us to venture into the deepest trenches of the ocean. Seismic waves generated by earthquakes act like giant X-rays, allowing scientists to image the Earth's internal structure. Section 5, A Journey Unending. The Future of Earth Exploration. Our exploration of Earth is far from over. As technology continues to evolve, we can look forward to even more groundbreaking discoveries in the future. New generations of scientists, armed with powerful tools and an unyielding spirit of curiosity, will continue to push the boundaries of our understanding. By studying extremophiles, organisms that thrive in Earth's most extreme environments, scientists are gaining insights into the potential for life to exist beyond our planet. The exploration of our planet goes beyond merely satisfying our curiosity. By understanding Earth's history and the forces that shape it, we can better predict and mitigate natural disasters, manage our resources sustainably, and safeguard the future of our species. The journey of Earth exploration is ultimately a journey of self-discovery, reminding us of our place within the grand tapestry of the cosmos.